DMR number 2, we're going to write an inequality to represent the height, h, or the height requirement for the ride. So to be able to ride the Rocket roller coaster at an amusement park, a child must be at least 48 inches tall. So at least 48 inches tall. So the height, h, and then we have 48 for our 48 inches. You have to be at least 48 inches tall. So can you be 48 inches? Yes, so we are going to have that part equal to there. Can we be under 48 inches? No, because that's not safe for the ride. We have to be either equal to or greater than. So greater than or equal to 48 inches to ride the ride. Since we have our greater than or equal to, we do need to put a closed circle on that 48. And we are going to shade to the right because anything bigger, so h is going to be bigger, so we are going to shade anything bigger than 48. So we are going to shade to the right there. Lastly, it says identify two numbers that can represent the height that you have to be in order to ride the roller coaster. So it says you have to be at least 48 inches tall. So you can have 48 inches tall, that's fine. You could be 48 inches tall. You could be 52 inches tall. A lot of times we see 52. So really it can be any number, 48 or higher. I'll put a smiley because we are done with DMR number 2. Great job.